Welcome to IOHub AI. We are delighted that you have chosen IOHub AI and we are happy to welcome you to our smart IoT platform. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of signing in to the IOHub AI mobile application on iOS and show you how to get started with your connected devices. To download the IOHub AI application on your iOS device, open the App Store and search for IOHub AI. Alternatively, you can visit our website at iohubai.com. At the bottom of the page, you will find the App Store download link. Tap the link to download and install the IOHub AI application on your iPhone. Once installed, tap Open, or launch IOHub AI from your home screen or app drawer. Choose your preferred sign-in method. Enter your email and password, or sign in with your Google account. Then, tap Sign In to access the IOHub AI app. After signing in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Then, double-click on the Control Center. Go to the Control Center to add your devices. In this section, click on Add Device in the top right corner. In the Control Center, click the gear icon on the right to open Settings. From there, you can change the background color and font style. To add a device, you have two options: Add existing device or set up new hardware. Select Set up new hardware to begin the setup process. At this stage, you can enter the device ID in two ways. Scan the provided device ID barcode or enter the device ID manually. You'll receive two barcodes, either by email or included in the box. One barcode is for the device ID, and the other is for the activation key. Be sure to scan each barcode in its designated field. Here, you can change the background color and font style. After entering the device ID, choose a device icon, use an icon from a URL if needed, and select the template that best fits your device. You can also enter the activation key manually or scan the barcode provided by email or included in the box. Go to Wi-Fi Setup and click Scan Nearby Wi-Fi to detect available networks. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter your password, and complete the Wi-Fi setup to proceed to the next step. The next step is the Connect to Device section. Here, your device needs to connect to the IOHub AI settings. Click the Connect to Device AP button, and the device will automatically connect to IOHub AI settings. If this is your first time connecting to the IOHub AI settings app, enter the default configuration password, config123. Once the device app is connected, click Next to proceed to the next step. Then click Setup, and wait until the setup is completed successfully and the device activation is confirmed. Now, double-click the selected device. The check mark will change from yellow to green, indicating that the device is connected. Then, double-click the device again to open it and continue with the remaining settings shown in this video. On the next screen, double-click an icon to apply it. At this stage, you can customize your template. At this stage, you enter the template. To do this, click the Edit button in the top left corner, shown as a pencil icon, to enter edit mode. After entering edit mode, you will see the Send to Device button in the bottom right corner. Click on it. After clicking Send to Device and pressing Next through the steps, you will reach the final confirmation stage, and the device setup will be completed. In this step, there are three buttons in the top right corner. Click the middle one, which is the View or Preview option. To ensure the configuration was completed successfully, click the Home button in the top left corner to return to the control center. Here, your device ID should display a green check mark next to it. This indicates that the configuration was successful. In the next section, click the Sync button in the top right corner to activate your sensors. Here, go to the second option in the top left corner. This section allows you to send direct, private messages to the device. Next, tap the pencil icon in the top left corner. This will open a section where you can choose from different templates on the left side of each row, such as switches, telemetry, graphs, smart logic, and plates. By double tapping on any icon, such as power device, temperature, fan, or humidity sensor, you will enter a section where you can select the GPIO connected to your ESP32. In the next screen, you can choose or change these pin assignments. In the next section, called Configure Widget, you can customize your widget settings. You can change the label name, adjust its size, choose different icons, and enable the Use Custom option to add an icon via URL. You can also change the color, as well as the font color. In the final step, for each toggle state, on and off, you need to define a command that will be sent to the device. Each switch should have its own specific command, and each switch must use a unique key. Now, by editing a telemetry item, you will enter a page where you can select the source. This means choosing your sensor type and selecting the corresponding GPIO pin. Then, click Next to continue. In the next, Configure Widget section, you can set the sensor name and select the measurement unit. For example, Celsius for temperature or any other unit depending on the sensor type. You can also adjust the size and use label selection options. There are categories available to help organize the widget. In addition, you can enable Use Custom Icon URL to set a custom icon. You can also change the background color and font color. Finally, the key defines which sensor is being used, such as temperature or any other input, and the unit specifies its measurement unit. For state-based devices, such as pins or switches, we use this section to configure their state labels. For example, we define the high state label and assign its corresponding GPIO pin. Then we define the second state label, such as low, and assign it to another GPIO pin. Finally, we click Next to continue. In the configuration section, you can adjust various settings such as properties, monitoring options, and the label or name. You can select and edit icons, customize them, and change the background color as well as the report color. Additionally, you can enable and schedule actions using the Enable Schedule option. In the final step, for each toggle state, on and off, you define a command that is sent to the device. Multi-specific switches share a single unique key. In this section, you can control the fan speed by selecting low or high, and turn the power on or off using the switch. After activating our devices, we return to the dashboard and click on Settings. In the Settings section, you will see options such as Account and Notifications. In the Account section, you can enter your personal details and customize your profile to create and manage your own account. In the Notifications section, you can see the status of all your devices added in the dashboard, including message usage, sent, received, real-time, remaining quota, and device states such as active, expired, or reminder. A progress bar shows your usage, changing color from green to red as you reach the limit. If the device becomes expired or reaches the limit, you can click it to purchase a new bundle. Thank you for trusting IOHub AI. We appreciate your support. For additional tutorials, step-by-step guides, and product updates, visit the IOHub AI website and our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.